After logging into OneNote, you can see all of your most recent notebooks. As you can see, I have 4 different notebooks, each containing different material. However, the one I will be focusing on today is the one titled How to Be a Good Friend. We can take a short look at my personal folder just to see what would be inside of this. Inside, I have 2 different notes labeled pictures and important dates. Obviously, I have not put any information in it yet, but these would involve personal pictures of my friends, my family, and dates that I hope to not forget. Now, just to go back to my other folders, and on to the how to be a good friend. The first note I have includes specific websites and blogs that relate with my theme. Below, what makes a good friend is a clipped article, annotated and highlighted, so that it gives me the specific information that would help me the most. All you'd have to do to go to this website is click on the underlined words. You also see a classroom novel that I would use in my classroom, and a blog that I have over what makes a good friend. Some other notes that I have inside of this are visual representations, such as pictures that I have used in my presentations, citations of websites for my theme, and some ideas for some lesson plans, including my objectives. And all you have to do to make a new or to add onto this is click Insert, either a new page, a link, a symbol, anything that you desire.